Good morning, everyone. So today we are in area of the Chow Kit. We just want to explore how Chow Kit area. That is the hotel where we are staying, Hilton Garden Inn, south in the Chow Kit area. Today in this video, we will explore about the suburb of the Chow Kit. So why we decide to stay here in this area.
As you can see, the train is coming. That's super cool in Kuala Lumpur, and Chow Kit is the mix between old and new. So you can find everything like a wet markets and all of the stuff what we're gonna show you. But in the background, brand new skyscrapers. So our hotel is actually this one over there. There is like a junction and petrol station of Shell, and the market is starting literally just behind our hotel. So it's very cool.
Okay, so first in the morning after we have a breakfast, we decide to explore the world famous Pasar Chow Kit, the largest wet market in Kuala Lumpur. Let's go.
Let's go. Here we go. Starting with the fruits. Very nice fruits actually. That's the lychee, I think. Very nice indeed. And let's see what we can find over here. Are you excited, Sayang, for exploring today?
Yes, so
Let's
this
go.
one is called Pasar Jalan Raja Bot, or it's famous for Pasar Chow Kit wet market, the largest wet market in Kuala Lumpur. Let's see.
And this is not a durian, that's the jackfruit, or maybe different name in Malaysia. Nenang?
That's Cempedak, I think.
Cumada?
Yeah,
Okay.
Cempedak.
Nenas Madu. Okay. So there is the performances. This is the name of the bazaar again, Chow Kit. And we are coming inside. Beautiful fishes at the beginning. Chickens, yellow and normal chickens. Cow head, that's actually scary a little bit for some of you guys. Meat, fresh. Actually very interesting beginning of the market actually. Well, let's get inside. Chickens. We have chickens, we have meat. Hello. Chickens, meat. This is actually very nice steaks here. Check this out. So cool stuff. Let's get inside more and more. Sayang, this wet market is cool already, gonna tell you. Just the beginning and so much is going on.
So it is like, feeling like home already, like in Indonesia.
Yeah. Let's get more fish, many kind of fish. Red garupa, red meats, steaks, chickens. Check this out. How many nice flanks here. And the fish, of course. Wow, so cool. And if you ask about the places like this, if it's smelly or not, it's actually not. Surprisingly, it's very, very nice. I mean, it's not smelly badly or anything like this.
This one red snapper, yeah?
Yeah, looks like a red snapper, but maybe different kind of. I'm not sure 100%. And meats. Generally, this is the wet market, so any kind of meats you're gonna find here just at the beginning. But everything looks fresh and clean. This is the most important thing when you are coming to the markets like this one. And then we have a fruit and veg section. Actually, the veg section already. Here we go. It's the morning life in Chow Kit in Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur. It's actually like 9:45 at morning currently. And it's very like this.
And then I read that if you go here and then buy all groceries, vegetable, all your daily needs, it's really much cheaper than in the Kuala Lumpur city.
Okay, let's get inside. And check this out. This market is huge. You cannot see the other end. Like somewhere there where the big lights is still no, I don't see the end. So, well, I hope so. We're not gonna get lost here. And overall, that's the veggie section. And even they have like prepare on the plates. What you wanna buy? Chilies. Sayang, you like chilies?
Oh, they put it in a small plate like this.
That's the, what is this, ginger or something like that?
Ginger. This is called galangal.
Very nice stuff here. Check this out. And everything is, like I said, looks very fresh. What is here, Sayang?
It's very nice. This one is also tofu, and this one is tempeh. And look at that. That's the sprout. Wow.
Everything is here, huh?
Now I'm thinking about the Malaysia, honey. What do you think?
Maybe it looks very tempting. I like markets like this one. Check this. What is this? I never saw like this one before.
This one in Indonesian language is called pare. I forgot what is it in English.
Okay, and this is other
explore
kind
more.
of gingers. And the shopping at morning, that's how does it look like. Okay, let's get more inside. Oops.
Oh,
Let's see. business already since morning. Mostly actually local people are here. That's very interesting. Not so many tourists, and I'm only one with the camera here, which is actually big surprise for me. I don't know why tourists not coming to the places like this one, like in Chow Kit. Why? Now it's little junction. There is the chili section and vegetable section, and behind me they have fruit section already. Like I said before, why tourists not coming here? Come here, it's a very nice place. We're gonna show you more. So here we go, starting with ango, which is grapes, oranges, guava, I don't know, this kind of pears, lemons, everything is here. This lady is preparing this is like I said, jackfruit, but here is different name. Nice pineapples, and let's get inside. Very nice star. This one very nice, huh? Very nice, thank you.
Jackfruit.
And what we have more? Grapes, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Lychee.
Lychee, the
Yeah,
long one.
lychee, yeah. Manga.
Rambutan.
Mango, thank you. Thank you. Mango, grapes, pomegranate, very nice, very good stuff. What? Salad what? Salad what? Salabli? Ah, very good. So this one is salabli. Remember, Sayang?
Salak beli.
Salabli, pomegranate.
Nice.
Everybody actually friendly to me. I think maybe this is because not many tourists coming here, isn't it?
Yeah, not many tourists. It's all about the locals.
Oh, that's the durian?
Yes.
Oh, you see? But small one this time, different kind. Yes, thank you. What is this?
Nice.
This one is actually looks
Small
nice.
apples.
No, this one small apple. Very
Yeah.
nice. Very interesting thing, something new all the time. And my favorite one is pomegranate, like this one.
Oh,
And
nice.
it's actually 5 ringgit, but I don't know per piece, but still okay. The guy is driving with the big jackfruit, which is nanga madu and pineapples here. Check this out. Let's get more. This is very nice pineapple looking also. Three pomegranates for 10 ringgits here, even better. Well, very nice. Oh, this is your favorite fruit. They have it here as well.
Yes, they have a snake.
Snake fruit. No, not sure about the local name, but the snake fruit, what we know.
Yes.
Thank you. They have a rambutan look like fruit.
Oh, wow. Rambutan.
And what is this? Oh, he's cutting the same.
Sayang.
Yes.
Sayang, kesini dulu
What you
sayang.
wanna buy again?
Ya.
Ah, what you
Itu
buy?
Berapa satu ikat?
Itu satu ikat 10 ringgit.
10 ringgit.
Oh,
Mau 5 ringgit.
10 ringgit lah.
Heaven for me.
Oh, okay, take it lah.
Mana ni?
Very nice stuff.
Banyak kurang dah?
Hah?
Banyak kurang dah?
Bismillah lah orang nama.
Negotiations in progress. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. So this is
Sayang, minta
rambutan,
uang.
huh?
Minta uang.
No money lah.
He's the boss.
Sama ni.
I just paid 9, but he have a full bucket of
no.
money. Very
No, no,
ah,
no.
not that much. Maybe later, yeah. Okay, thank you so much, brother.
Good luck
Thank
for you, yeah.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this is the durians flying around, and this is the sorsok one.
Yeah, this one is
Sirsak.
the sorsop and the durian.
Yeah, very nice
Oh.
stuff. Very nice stuff. Everybody are so friendly here, actually. Here we go. More pomegranate. What did you buy actually again? Full bag of the
9 ringgit.
9 ringgit?
Yeah.
Very nice. What is
This
this?
1 kg.
What is this?
I don't know.
Looks like a
Ah.
different kind of, I don't know.
Ini apa? Banana fruit.
So we actually managed to go to the end, and let's see what is outside. Let's get to the end side. So outside you have actually the view of the more markets everywhere around. This is like a junction going like, you know, like a junction. There's like a place for eating. Motorbikes parked. Also the thing about Malaysia, still motorbikes are on the streets, right?
You wanna
It's
ride the motorbike?
Not that much, but still. Hey, should we drive in the Kuala Lumpur by motorbike? That would be fun, huh?
Honey, listen the song.
Yeah.
The Basker.
Yeah,
this
the
is
Basker.
Indonesian song.
Yeah.
See?
Also, we didn't mention before, but this area of Chow Kit currently is popular for the Indonesian, Malaysian, and Bangladeshi people. So you can find the vibe of mix of everything. Well, what we going to do now?
Okay, so we will explore again and we're looking for the world famous, the legendary Nasi Lemak.
Nasi lemak. You have to try nasi lemak when you are in Malaysia. You cannot say no. Even don't eating nasi like me, but I tried already nasi lemak. And this is the little place where you can buy nasi campur. And overall situation looks like this one at morning. Maybe it's not like extremely busy, but it's very enjoyable to make a video today. Okay, let's look for the nasi lemak.
Let's go
That
there.
direction? Okay, let's see.
Oh, look at that on the right.
Oh, that's actually food. Nasi campur, check this out. How many beautiful dishes they have here.
So in 1990s that I read long time ago, I think when I was born, so many Indonesian, especially coming from Java Island, they're coming from Java and they go to Malaysia and then they are going here to the Chow Kit because for the trading. Here, many Indonesians selling clothes, selling, food, selling fruit, selling everything there. So yeah, this is just like people call it as the mini Jakarta because you can find so many Indonesian people here.
Also, this building in the background, what you saw previously, that's the tallest, second tallest building in the world, Merdeka 118.
Honey, look, warung pojok, rujak lontong, soto, bakso. Yum yum.
You can also buy the flowers here, and that's the name, Transit Zone Pasar something. We are looking for the legendary Nasi Lemak. It's somewhere here, Google Maps saying, but I'm not sure 100%. But it's good to be lost a little bit so we can show you environment around, right?
Yeah, let's show you around how the biggest Chow Kit market.
Yeah, on the way looking for Nasi Lemak. Somewhere here, Google said. So we are actually here, if you are looking up, that's our hotel. Actually 2 Hiltons, and we staying in this taller one. But this is all very, very close. Like literally, you just exit the hotel and you can come here. So yeah, and I think Nasi Lemak is supposed to be somewhere here. Maybe it's closer, yeah?
Let's see.
Let's see. All the locals know where is it, huh?
Honey, I speak bahasa Indonesia here and we speak Malaysia. You nak turun-turun di sana, jalan kecil-kecil dan kerupuk.
So you understand each other? Yeah?
Easy lah.
Okay, let's go. So where?
Here, we go
Okay,
there.
let's go there.
Yeah.
So cool. We're still looking for Nasi Lemak, but where is the fruits? Next alley is actually already the kitchen stuff and all of the household items. Everything is here, jars, containers, any other packagings, all of this stuff. So cool. I hope so we're not gonna get lost there, huh?
No. If we get lost, we speak Malay or bahasa Indonesia. And then we get lost.
Okay. Now we are passing the small alleys just looking for Nasi Lemak.
Nasi lemak Cina.
China?
Yes.
Oh, here we go. This is like a backyard, sayang. But
Yeah.
that's sometimes the difficult roads leading to beautiful destination, huh?
This is how people said small road will go to the best thing.
Okay, let's see. I already see some kitchen there. Maybe they are cooking here. Lah.
See? I found it!
Okay,
Nasi
hello,
lemak
auntie.
Cina.
Okay, we get. This is Nasi Lemak.
So we got it from the backyard.
Okay, like I said, hard to get, but will be the beautiful
Hi,
place.
Uncle!
Hello. Nasi Lemak.
Nasi lemak ya.
Nasi Lemak. Oh, look at this. Hello.
So if you are in Chow Kit, you have to try this. They are called Nasi lemak Cina. Mostly nasi lemak, with the chicken. But here nasi lemak with the pork.
Here we go.
Good
Good
I come
stuff.
from Indonesia. Just try to looking for your nasi lemak.
Thank you. Okay, let's
Just
order.
give me one portion.
So cool. We came actually from the back side, but don't worry, guys. There is actually place to sittings and all of this stuff. But we were just going around. But that's actually more interesting.
And this one, nasi lemak.
Taste
The
legendary.
world famous legendary nasi lemak in Chow Kit Market. You see how our way to go here. Go the small alley and we found it.
That's so cool, so cool. This is how he's preparing the Nasi Lemak.
The pork. The pork.
Oh,
Yeah.
only good stuff here, huh?
I eat all, whatever it is.
This is the place where we are sitting. So many uncle and aunties and sayang with her Nasi Lemak.
So, like I told you, this area is, mixed, like Chinese, Malay, Indonesian, Bangladesh. This is like how is the multi-ethnicity live peacefully and harmoniously. Okay, let's eat. This is the world famous Nasi Lemak because, with the pork, right? And then this one is ikan bilis, and this one is the boiled egg. And also the world famous sambal.
Oh, that spicy stuff, huh?
Let's see the rice.
This is how you eat this. Big spoon of everything. Shall we make a makan cantik here one day?
Oh my god. I travel from Indonesia, go to Singapore, and go to Malaysia just for this and teh tarik.
And teh tarik, of course, but for me
Yeah.
normal. Thank you. Thank you.
So good.
So good.
And
That's
look
the
at the
lovely
way
place
how
in
they
the
serve
corner.
teh tarik.
Oh, with the nice cup, sayang.
Nice, with the ceramic cup.
Very nice. Because ceramic, keeping a little bit warmer for a few minutes. Always, guys, remember that. And this is the place I will show you around. The uncles and talking something loud here, not sure. And also you have a bread and all of this stuff. Actually, the place is a little bit secret, You're not gonna really find this, so you have to ask locals. They are very helpful, they will help you. But on the Google Maps, it's showing you different location. Okay, enjoy sayang, and we will see you on other location after that. Huh?
Yes, I also want to shout out to our friend Mick Everett from Australia, who is a big fan of Nasi Lemak. This one is Nasi Lemak Cina, yeah.
The best stuff. You have to
The
come and
best
try
one.
this stuff, bro. Very cool.
Wanna
And
try?
how much was all of this?
9 ringgit 60.
Okay, so it's about $2.50, something like that, but the big portion. Lah.
Now, let's go there, explore how is the market deep inside.
Deep inside. Let's see what's going on. There are actually other places to eat as well, but I don't know, different kind of foods and very local area here, I'm gonna tell you. It's been a while when I was in Malaysia in very local area like this one. We get a little bit lost right now and we go like back side of the market, I think. More into wholesale and bulks are here or something like that. Or maybe just the back side, but still you can buy the chicken and steak, stuff like this one. Okay, but this is main street actually already, so not that bad. Where we are, Saya? Main street, and I think we have to look for our hotel. Currently so much cars everywhere around. There are some desserts actually, and wow, I think that's it. What they are selling here actually very nice something.
Oh, this one
Riga.
apam bale. Apam bale is just like terang bulan.
Okay, we are going home now. This is the section with so many bags, but on the other side still options to eating something. And you can always like this one, but it's open. More things are actually open later on. Afternoon is still morning, so it's a little bit different. More into food section rather than the other clothes and stuff. But you can find the warungs like this one or the places to eat. Actually, warungs are in Indonesia. I don't know how the places like this one calling here. Places to eat, huh? Stalls.
Well, basically this is really like the feeling I'm in Indonesia, and also they have a big plastic of kerupuk. People selling hang it like this, on the roof. Just feeling like you are walking on the pasar or market in Indonesia. Super cool. And looks around. Now we already in the big street, and on the top is the LRT.
That's the Chow Kit on the main street actually. You can take from LRT of this one, you can go directly to Bukit Bintang and other parts of the LRT light green line. It's pretty busy. Our hotels are there. And very nice mural, by the way, over here, just accidentally found out. And also we have to try these buses one day, sayang. That's for sure. Also, that's the current taxis. Little bit, a lot of is going on around. Yo, what's up? The guy is selling some the goreng and stuff, I think.
Oh, yeah.
This is like Esteller actually. Here we go. Esteller, S Dodger, S Jeruk, and S Manka. That's actually nice.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Very good. Very good.
You from eh? You from?
Indonesia.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
I'm from Poland.
Polandia.
In Europe, yeah.
Your girlfriend or your wife?
My wife,
My
you see?
wife.
See this one? Ah!
Cakap Melayu boleh? Melayu.
Melayu, no,
Iya.
little bit.
Merah kat bawah.
Iya, beda aja. Di atas merah, di bawah
Nice.
putih.
Bagus, ya?
Bagus.
Ah.
Indonesia di mana?
Ah, Bali.
Bali.
Pernah ke Bali tak?
Dia ada cewek banyak sana di Bali.
Oh, banyak ceweknya.
Tapi cewek sama kat kita.
Kasihan.
Sekarang tengah cari cewek lah.
Ah?
Tengah cari cewek.
Nanti kapan-kapan saja ya. Ya.
Okay, thank you, brother. Take care.
One thing that I realize whenever I walk here, look at this shop. This shop is actually jamu shop, Indonesian traditional medicine, and you see that so many Indonesian jamu product hanging there. Nice.
Yeah, very interesting. Let's go. This is the machine for the water. You can come with your aqua gallon, with the gallon of water. And well, textiles and other stuff. Actually, now it's textiles on the main street, huh? Like you can buy the clothes and traditional ones and all of this stuff. That's the bus station, LRT, and overall architecture of the Chow Kit. Whew, that was the lovely morning here. Now I'm going back to hotel. It's already 10:30 actually, still morning. I have to edit video and stuff like this, so you can watch the video every day afternoon 4 p.m. So what we film today is actually tomorrow on YouTube. And then at 4 o'clock, maybe we're gonna go, for sure we're gonna go to the other side of the street, because over there is the market, but with the clothes and all the nightlife and the life of the Chow Kit is starting actually. Morning is more into market, and the rest of the day will be like full entire Chow Kit. So bear with us. Today's video is all about the Chow Kit in Kuala Lumpur, guys. Alright, but before we're gonna continue our video, I wanna go to the petrol station to buy the Costa coffee. They have a very nice vending machine selling the Costa coffee. So I just want to mention about the petrol stations in Malaysia. There are actually few brands. This is the Shell. They have, of course, Petronas and few others ones. But every single one is the self-service. And well, once I had a very interesting situation in Langkawi when I was driving my motorbike. I wanted to buy and I didn't know it's actually self-service. I tried to using my Indonesian debit card, doesn't work. So you have to use the Indonesian doesn't work. But you can always go inside and tell us you want to buy, let's say, 50 ringgit or 100 ringgit of petrol. And then you can pump, like in Western countries in general. But it's totally different than to compare to Indonesia when everywhere is the guy and pump for you. Anyway, I will have a coffee and we will see you after that on the other side of the Chow Kit.
So basically after you fill the petrol, and then in the corner where the guy standing there, this is the spot where you have to pay the petrol basically. So Damian is buying coffee, and this is how is the coffee machine. Oh, so fancy.
This is the Chow Kit MRT, so it's almost the end or the beginning of the line. You can get from the Chow Kit to Bukit Bintang and all down to KL Central. And this is little bit of the hood outside the station. Looks like this one. There is the view of the Twin Towers actually as well. Recently rain started, and that's how does it look. The one of the LRT Chow Kit stations. This is the first line of massive transport in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. So looks a little bit older, but still very nice. Trains are coming every 10 minutes from the station, and currently it's rainy outside. So, and the train's coming like this one. We are waiting because our train actually just go when we are walking here, but the train looks like this one. Here we go, very cool stuff. Just have to be careful because there is no doors. This is very old station.
Chow Kit. Up until a decade ago, the area was infamous for being the city's red light district. But there's much more to the neighborhood than its seeming reputation. Chow Kit was named after Penang-born Chinese tin miner and municipal councillor Lok Chow Kit, who also owned licensed gambling and opium dens that the area became known for. The millionaire tycoon, said to be one of the first in the country to own a telephone, also founded Chow Kit & Co., the largest general store in its day and the first department store owned by the local. In the decades that followed, Chow Kit developed into the city's commercial center, and the people from far and wide came to bargain for the day's freshest catch and myriad goods at its various markets. Even as the district developed a reputation for the prostitution and gangsterism, Chow Kit continued to hold a special place in the hearts of Kuala Lumpur residents, thanks to its gritty, down-to-earth energy. Okay, so before, in the morning, we explore how the wet market and then how is the food seller. But now, later in the afternoon, we will show you how is the special market, which is specialized in the used clothes, used shoes. Behind me, they're selling the used clothes and used shoes. Over there, under the tent, we will explore more. Just like this stall behind me, you see, they are selling the Levi's jeans for about 10 ringgit. This is actually the used clothes. So we will go there, stroll around, and how it is more inside.
So this is the second-hand market. You can buy the shorts or the pants or the jeans or actually many nice stuff. That's like branded jeans actually for 10 ringgits. Second-hand, but 10 ringgits is like a $2, and this is like a $1. Literally $1 for the pants and stuff like this. So it's actually very, very good price for the second-hand stuff. I should get myself the Petronas t-shirt like this one day. And you can even find the leather jackets here. So much t-shirts, everything, stuff like this one. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's already 8 o'clock and we arrived to the night market. Over there is our hotel where we are staying. So it's very close, still in the Chow Kit. And the night market it started. So we're gonna explore what we can find for dinner here.
Chow Kit is actually prime location. I mean, close by the largest wet market in the morning or in the afternoon. But at night, this place turned into night market. So let's explore. Is there any street food there surround? So let's see.
Definitely the durian at the beginning again.
Yes.
You can buy 3 or 6 for 30 ringgits, the smaller one. And actually, interesting fact is that the wet market is still on. And on the other side, they're still selling the fruit and veggies, but this time now on the parking area or outside, not inside the building, but outside. And well, we are looking for some food, but actually I don't know where is it. Apparently even it's a little bit quiet here, like. So hotel is there in the background. There is the fruit and veg section. It's a little bit complicated, but you have to get more deep inside. There is the Twin Towers in the background, and the street food is actually starting here, of course, next to the durian. And you can find already the places to eat, stars. I think it's still early because it's still early, it's just 8 o'clock, probably later around 9, 10, 11 is busier. And let's see what we can find over here, going deep inside of the market.
Well, basically we already walk around the market and then we already asked the uncle and auntie. Unluckily that the Chow Kit market only open for the wet market in the morning and afternoon. So there is no night street food market, and they suggested us to go back to Bukit Bintang because in Bukit Bintang area open for 24 hours, yeah, honey? Yeah?
Something like that, or at least it's open, many options.
And I think that Damian wants to eat something like Arab food for dinner. So yeah, now let's go to Bukit Bintang then.
And there at the front of us, there is the night market with the second-hand shoes, what we show you before. And it's open actually at night, even at 8 or 9 o'clock. So I was thinking to having a shawarma here in Damascus, but they closed on the other side of the street for renovation or maintenance or something like that. And well, they having everything, but look at the crowd here. This is all the people waiting for food. and the line, the cashier is here actually at the front, and all of these people, all of them, up to almost I don't know where, up to Maybank somewhere, they waiting in the queue. I think the guy in the black jacket is the last one. So 1, 2, 3, I don't know, so long. I don't know, probably gonna go somewhere else. Actually the queue starting here and the kebab place is there, so it's like at least half hour or maybe more. Okay, but there must be something else to eat, yeah? Always we can go to McDonald's. Sayang, if so, always we can go to McDonald's, no queues.
Yeah.
But the kebab here is so tempting, but waiting line for 1 hour, unfortunately, maybe next time. Last time when I was in Malaysia was definitely quieter than it's now. Finally I got the shawarma in the place behind me. It's not that busy, so happy days. I'm gonna show you around a little bit. That's the shawarma, the same. Yo, what's up, brother? How you doing? The same like everywhere, just for some reason less popular. But the guy just working 5 months here, what I asked him, I have a chicken, Winnie have a beef. Winnie gonna eat today something with no rice. I'm so proud of her. And well, overall it's very busy in Kuala Lumpur nowadays for the Christmas time. Actually Christmas, after Christmas, New Year is coming literally next 2-3 days. So they're selling another shawarma here. This one ours, that's the name. I will let you know is it good or not. Next to shawarma, Winnie is sitting here. They have also very interesting desserts. I don't know actually what is it, but looks actually pretty nice. Also a lot of people buying here, so must be good. And the price is like this one, kunafa, I don't know, kunafa and Turkish dessert, something interesting. Like I said, you can find everything in Kuala Lumpur in one single corner. Here we go, guys.
Okay, so this is it, honey.
This is it, shawarma, right? You know me, I think last time in Kuala Lumpur I ate shawarma almost every dinner. For lunch it's different, but for dinner I like stuff like this one. Here you go, I'm gonna take a bite.
Smacznego, selamat makan.
Also mine is chicken with cheese. Sayang have a beef one. Honey, you're not...
This one is the lamb.
Oh, lamb? No beef? I think beef. Or lamb, okay.
Yeah, we've got shawarma as our dinner, so yeah.
Like this one, by the way, this big shawarma costs you $350 US.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow on more adventures from Malaysia, guys.